the venue and I am going to set up the backdrop. So we're going to start with our bases and then we're going to put the poles up and slide the banner on top. So stay tuned and watch me as I set up the backdrop. I like to put it up against the wall so it's sturdy and it has something to go up against. Bases in this backdrop set is from Georgia Expo. After we put the bases down, we're going to put the poles up. We have our pole that connects at the top. We're going to slide the backdrop on here, and then we're going to put it up there at the top. So you'll see how the backdrop just hangs low. So as you all know, I had problems with getting the backdrop on time because it was stuck in FedEx on the truck and I wasn't able to get it due to COVID-19 and what we're dealing with shipments and packages and delays right now. So I was able to call Hotline Signs and they gave me my banner same day. So now I'm going to insert the backdrop onto the pole and put it up. So you slide it through the top pocket poles right here at the top.